afternoon, everyone. Sorry for not uploading the other day. I had food poisoning for legitimately 30 hours straight, and I can tell you that after puking 15 to 20 times in a row, it's not the best thing, so don't get food poisoning. It's not fun. But as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm about to race my Huracan against Dragtimes Info's McLaren 720S. He called me out after the race against Alejandro, saying that Alejandro couldn't drive, and that if we raced to higher speeds, which I believe him with the higher speeds part, that the results would be different. So I accepted the challenge. If I lose, no big deal. You might be wondering, why the hell am I on the table right now? Well, I'm on the Corsa 10 rally, which starts Saturday, and they upgraded me to this room that's absolutely absurd. So thanks so much to Corsa and the Aria Hotel. My room comes with like a 10-person boardroom table, not quite sure. Might do some business and stuff, some fancy things. We've got a television. Check out this view of Vegas, guys. So you can see the Las Vegas Strip. We've got this massive window, some weird sculpture, I'm not sure what it is, but they told me that when things come with sculptures, that means it's fancy and expensive. Now let's go into the living room where the boys are hanging out. How crazy is this?
Bro, it's pretty
insane. We've got this beautiful view, look at that window. Go into the master bedroom. Okay, I dig it. Not sure what we're gonna do with this, so I'm gonna stand in it. That's about the use that's gonna get. I wanna remind you guys that this is the very last day to enter to win an Xbox One S and Forza 7. That's right, I am giving away a brand new Xbox One S and Forza 7 for you guys to play with your friends. This is a perk of being a pro member on my website, lightgravity.com. At Light Gravity, you get access to vehicle versions videos 24 hours in advance. You also have a community where you can talk about cars, share pictures of your cars, share your favorite cars, where you don't annoy people like you do on Facebook. We're basically trying to create a Facebook for cars. You also get access to free wallpapers and other perks as well. Link in the description below. If you sign up for a year membership, you get 12 chances to win. If you sign up for just 1 month, you get 1 entry. Good luck, guys. But you guys want to see the race, so let's go do it. Just recovering from awful food poisoning, the best way to wake up and come back to life is racing the supercharged Huracan against Dragtimes Info 720S and my good friend Christine's 720S. Let's see, they're thinking that Alejandro couldn't drive and that their car is actually faster. I don't know, it's gonna be close. Let's find out. Before we go out on the race, for those who are new to the channel, this is a 2015 Lamborghini Huracan, 5.2 liter V10 with a VF supercharger kit. Makes 805 horsepower at the crank, weighs about 3,400 pounds. Now let's go over to the 720S, which we are racing, which is completely stocked. 4 liter twin turbocharged V8, supposedly from Mclaren, making a little less than 720 horsepower. However, as Dragtimes Info has proven, it makes about 690 horsepower to the wheels, and we've got jets flying over. Oh my God. This car weighs about 300 pounds less than the Huracan, makes about 700 wheel. It's gonna be a close race. All right, so this is Brooks. How much power is the 720S making?
Definitely not 720. We put down 690 to the wheels on the dyno the other day. Depends on what percentage you want to drop in there, but we're guessing close to 800 horsepower.
Gotcha. And then I guess we're racing for some serious money here. I mean, not actually money, but this sticker. So if I lose, he gets to take that sticker from me that I won against the race against Alejandro's 720S. If I win, we're not sure. Nothing. I'll put a second sticker on it.
Second sticker on there for taking down Dragtimes.
All right, so this car is 100% stock, and then this one, what, it has downpipes?
Downpipes and catback exhaust.
All right, sounds mean.
Wheels and big wheels.
And big wheels. All right, yeah, what mode do you put it in to race?
We're in a track manual because
okay.
The car's spinning a lot, and I don't trust it to do automatic.
Fair enough.
So I want to flip the screen up so I can see everything better.
So we are in the stock 720S versus the downpipes and exhaust 720. And nobody has been able to crack into the ECU yet, so it doesn't have a tune, which might mean that that car is robbed of a bit of power. So let's see how these two compare. Damn, this thing pulls hard.
Break up. I figured that. Yeah, you gotta be on your game, buddy.
Buddy, but it was...
Yeah, I was beating your ass. That's what's happening.
Launch control, 720S. do one last third gear roll because the downpipes car actually pulled at the end, but that was only because this one short shifted. So I think we'll take him. What just happened there?
I mean,
we beat Mr. Famous Dragtimes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, the downpipes car is faster.
and the top end.
That's impressive. So I don't even want to attempt to race you in mine.
So how was that?
Oh, it was awesome.
Yeah?
720 took it.
Yeah, he took it?
Yeah.
How much? How many cars?
I mean, from a 50 roll, there's no contest, just walked away. Lower gears, he jumped out about a car, because this car was spinning madly. Then after that, it just kind of walked right by.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Well, that was not what I expected, but the 720S is one hell of a car. It started off with a little bit of some weird stuff going on. I ran out of gas basically, and my fuel cutoff happened really abruptly at 3,000 RPMs through third gear, and the car wouldn't move whatsoever. He probably thought I was sandbagging after all of a sudden I started losing. That's exactly when conveniently my car started to shut down, but actually I was having some fuel troubles. Got fuel, no longer had bad gas, raced them at about a 35 roll, and at a 35 roll, he was spinning all the tires. Well, only 2 tires, it's rear wheel drive. The fact that he was able to get any traction whatsoever at that speed is pretty impressive. I jumped about 2 cars in the beginning, then at about 120, I don't know what magical third or fourth gear that 720S has, but it went from 2 cars behind to 4 cars ahead real quick and just kept pulling from there. So what gear did you rip past me at?
It's probably 3rd and 4th gear.
Yeah.
Well, no, 3rd gear I caught up to you.
Yeah.
And then 4th gear, it's a goner. I mean, that thing's just a monster.
It's ridiculous.
Gear. Yeah, it's running like boost by gear, so the lower gears, it's holding back power.
Yeah.
If you take traction control from this car, which I've tried,
yeah,
you can't even drive the car.
Well, long story short, Alejandro can't drive, I guess, and wait, we have to do something. Well, this is multiple pieces, so this might take some serious editing, but I lose this today. I mean, if I didn't lose to somebody named Dragtimes, I think that wouldn't be too good.
Yeah,
I'm a virgin, right? So, you know. But dude, that was a hell of a race. We got a bunch of clean runs in, and I lost fair and square pretty much every time.
Yeah,
so
great race. I think you got up to power now. I have another 100 horsepower in this car. Is there a 900
I might need to. VF, hook me up. I can't be losing to 720s. This is a stock car, and I lost.
I got a Huracan too.
Yeah.
So if you beat me when you up it to power,
okay,
then I think maybe I'll put the cricket kit on my car too.
Oh, that could be good. All right, my money is on that versus the 720S. Wait, this race beats ours. That is way cooler.
It's coming.
That is so sick.
Did you get it?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Thanks for coming out and racing and destroying me.
Thanks for watching.
I look forward to seeing you guys next video.